சொல்லு ஒரு வார்த்தை ஒரு பார்வை பார்த்திடு தந்திடுவேன் என்னை காதல் நிலவே மின்னல் ஒளியே கண்களுக்குள் நீதான் கண்ணே காதல் நிலவே மின்னல் ஒளியே கண்களுக்குள் நீதான் கண்ணே என் காதல் கீதமே சொல்லு ஒரு வார்த்தை.
To Balathikulam village, India, where when I tell you this guy's wife is a real dog, I mean this guy's wife is a real dog. Mr. P. Selvakumar says he's been down on his luck for a while ever since he accidentally killed 2 dogs 15 years ago. Finally, he consulted who else? An astrologer who suggested marrying a female dog would improve his luck. Which brings us to today's joyous occasion for everybody except former Senator Rick Santorum. And there we see Selva Makur placing the ceremonial Mangal Sutra around the dog's neck, and you may now kiss the bitch. In case you're interested, the 2 are registered at Petland Discounts, and we just checked online, the wee-wee pad is still available.